Stop ruining your linoleum floors with harsh chemicals that strip the shine away. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best cleaners that will actually protect your floor and leave it looking brand new. 5. Aunt Fannie's Ultra Concentrated Floor Cleaner. I was really drawn to this one initially because of the clean beauty aspect. It is a vinegar wash concentrate, which means it relies on the old-school cleaning power of vinegar rather than harsh surfactants. The specific version I tested was the eucalyptus scent. When I first opened the bottle, I was expecting a spa-like aroma, but I have to be honest, the vinegar base is very potent. While the eucalyptus tries its best to mask it, there is an undeniable salad dressing undertone that lingers in the air for quite a while after mopping. If you are sensitive to that sharp vinegar smell, this might be a bit of a sensory overload for you. On the application side, it is very straightforward since it is a concentrate. You just mix a small amount into a bucket of water, which makes the bottle last a long time. Definitely a point for value. I used a microfiber mop to apply it to my hallway linoleum, which sees a lot of muddy shoe traffic. The cleaning power is decent for light dust and surface dirt. The vinegar cuts through grease reasonably well. However, because it lacks some of the heavier chemical degreasers, I found myself having to scrub a bit harder on dried-on food spots in the kitchen area. It felt more like I was doing the work, rather than the cleaner doing it for me. The finish was another area where I had mixed feelings. 4. Stink-free Hardfloor Pet Stain and Odor Remover. Now, if you are a pet owner like me, the name alone is a major selling point. This product is specifically engineered to tackle organic messes, think urine, vomit, and those unidentifiable sticky spots pets leave behind. I tested this on a corner of my linoleum, where my dog tends to have accidents. The enzyme formula is genuinely impressive at neutralizing odors. It doesn't just cover them up with perfume, it actually seems to break down the proteins causing the smell. After letting it sit for a minute and wiping it away, the urine smell was completely gone, which is a massive win. However, as a general floor cleaner, for your entire room, it has some significant drawbacks. The application method is a spray bottle, which makes it excellent for spot treatments, but an absolute nightmare if you try to clean a whole room with it. My hand was cramping after just a few minutes of trying to mist a larger area. The liquid itself is also quite heavy. When I tried to use it as a general cleaner, I noticed it left a tacky residue on the floor. My socks were slightly sticking to the linoleum as I walked across the kitchen later that day, which meant I had to go back and rinse the floor with plain water to get the soapiness off. Another thing to note is the scent profile. It is advertised as a deodorizer, but the scent of the product itself is very strong and somewhat chemical heavy. 3. Rejuvenate All Floors Restorer. This is where we shift from just cleaning to actually improving the look of your floors. If your linoleum is looking tired, scratched, or just worn out from years of use, this product is essentially a facelift in a bottle. I was skeptical about the restorer claims, but I tested this on a high-traffic patch near my back door that had lost all its shine. The application is different here. You pour it directly onto the floor and spread it with a microfiber bonnet. It is not a soap. It is a polymer finish that fills in micro scratches. The results were honestly shocking. As soon as I spread the liquid, the dull gray look of the old linoleum vanished, replaced by a deep, wet look shine. It filled in the tiny surface scratches that trap dirt, making the floor look uniform and smooth again. The best part is that it dries relatively quickly, about 45 minutes to an hour, so you don't have to keep the kitchen off limits all day. It doesn't just sit on top. It seems to bond well with the surface, providing a protective layer that actually repels dirt for weeks after application. The scent is very mild, almost non-existent, which is a huge plus after the strong smells of the previous 2 products. It allowed me to focus on the application without getting a headache. And speaking of application, it is incredibly satisfying to watch the transformation happen in real time. 2. Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. This product is the perfect balance between ease of use and fantastic results. Unlike the Rejuvenate, which is a project, Quick Shine is for your weekly routine. I love that it comes in a squirt bottle that is ready to use. No mixing, no buckets, and no measuring. I grabbed my mop, squirted a generous amount on the linoleum, and got to work. The liquid is light and spreads incredibly easily, gliding over the floor without any drag. What impressed me most was how it handled the grime. I had some dried coffee spots and muddy footprints, and Quick Shine lifted them with zero scrubbing. It felt like the solution did the work for me. But the real magic happened when it dried. Unlike the vinegar wash, this left absolutely no streaks. My floors dried in about 15 minutes, which is lightning fast. And they were left with a soft, natural sheen. It wasn't a high-gloss wet look, but a clean satin finish that made the room feel bright and airy. The scent is lovely, very light and fresh, disappearing quickly so it doesn't clash with your candles or air fresheners. It also claims to be pH neutral, which is vital for the longevity of linoleum. It won't break down the material over time. I tested the residue-free claim by walking on it with bare feet immediately after it dried, and it felt smooth and clean, not sticky or tacky in the slightest. 1. Bona Floor Polish. I know what you are thinking. Polish? I thought we were talking about cleaners. Here's the secret. To get the absolute best-looking linoleum, you need a product that finishes the job, and Bona is the king of finishes. While Bona is famous for hardwood, their hard surface polish is a miracle worker for linoleum. I tested this on my entire kitchen floor, and the result was nothing short of professional. The consistency is milky and rich. You pour it onto the floor and spread it with a dedicated polish pad. As it goes down, you can see it filling in every imperfection. It creates a durable, urethane acrylic blend layer on top of your linoleum. This isn't just about shine, though the high-gloss finish is absolutely stunning. It is about protection. This polish acts as a shield against future scratches, scuffs, and spills. When I spilled spaghetti sauce on the floor a week after applying this, it wiped right off the surface without staining the linoleum underneath, because the Bona polish had sealed it so well. The dry time is a bit longer, usually requiring an hour or so, but the wait is worth it. The floor looks like a sheet of glass, reflecting the light and making the whole room look larger and cleaner. It revives the color of the linoleum in a way that standard cleaners just can't. It adds depth and warmth to the pattern. Plus, it is Green Guard certified, so it has very low chemical emissions, making it safe for indoor air quality. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.